Tape script 0.1.1.
Hey, I didn't sleep very much last night.
What time did you get up?
I wake up every morning at the same time, 5:30.
B. What time do you eat dinner, Aroni?
I eat very late, not until I finish reviewing my lessons, about 7:15.
C.
What time do you leave home to go to school, Bisay?
School starts at 7 o'clock and it takes me 25 minutes to walk to school. I leave home at 6:35. How about you?
It takes me longer than 25 minutes to walk to school. I have to leave home at 6:20.
D. Hey, Vati, do you want to go see a movie with us on Saturday afternoon?
I can't. I have a La Bogota tournament on Saturday. My first match is at 1:15.
Good luck.
End of tape script 0.1.1. Tape script 0.1.2.
Hi, Aroni. How was your holiday?
Hi, Pisay. It was great.
What did you do?
I did many things. In the morning, I sat under Avong's tree and sang.
That's nice. What song did you sing?
I sang his favorite song.
Cool. What else did you do?
After I sang, I flew over the royal palace and went home. At home, I read books in my nest until the afternoon. Then I went to the river and rowed on a boat down the river. When we came back, I ate dinner next to the river.
Wow, your holiday sounds like it was fun.
It was.
End of tape script 0.1.2. Tape script 1.1.1.
Hi, my name is Wati. I'm 14 years old and I live with my mom and dad and two brothers above a restaurant in the center of town. Before I go to school, I help my mom. We go to the market and buy meat and vegetables for her to cook in the restaurant. I get up at 4:30 a.m. to help her. When we get home, I eat rice porridge. Then I have a shower and brush my teeth. I always arrive at school at 6:30 a.m. After school, I help my mom in the restaurant. I wash the dishes and clean the floor. Sometimes I work in the restaurant. I say hello to the customer and then give them a menu. I go to sleep at 11 p.m. I don't get much free time, but if I do, I like to play the Chapay Dong Weng.
Hiya, my name is Bisat. I'm also 14 years old. I live about 3 kilometers away from Wuti in the countryside, in a traditional Cambodian house. I live with my parents and younger sister. I don't get up early every day like Wuti. I wake up at about 6:30 a.m. I have a shower and brush my teeth. After that, I get dressed and run to school. I'm sometimes late for school and I have to climb over the fence. The first thing I do when I get home from school is to get my 2 buffaloes from the field. The buffaloes like to sleep under the house. My mom cooks dinner at 6:30 p.m. and at 7 p.m. I watch television with my dad and my sister. I go to bed at 10 p.m. When I have free time, I usually play petanque. We call it bull.
Tape script 1.1.2.
Hi, Pisat.
Hi, Wuti.
Are you busy, Pisat?
Yes, I'm helping my dad in his workshop. We are trying to repair the tractor, the Goyun, because it is broken. He is repairing the engine and I have to pass him the tools. He has lots of tools on his workbench. There are spanners, hammers, and a new saw. He also has a small compressor, which is making a lot of noise. Some of the spanners are falling from the workbench because of the compressor. The compressor is shaking everything. Anyway, why do you want to know if I'm busy?
Usually, I have to help my dad every weekend, but this weekend he is visiting his brother, so I want to see the latest James Bond movie and my brother said he is too busy to go with me.
What's your brother doing?
He is just lying on his bed reading a book. He said that he doesn't like James Bond, so I don't think he would come with me anyway.
What about Hyung? Have you asked her?
Yes, I called her before I called you. She cleans the house every Saturday afternoon.
Yeah, she works hard every weekend.
Oh well, I think I'll carry on playing on my computer for a while.
Thanks for calling me, Woody. Sorry I can't come with you.
No problem. Maybe another time?
Sure, see you on Monday.
Yeah, see you at school. Bye.
Bye.
End of tape script 1.1.2. Tape script 1.1.3.
A. Spanner. B. Hammer. C. Saw. D. Compressor. E. Workbench.
End of tape script 1.1.3. Tape script 1.2.1.
Hi, Pisat. It's me, Hyung.
Hi, Hyung.
Listen, Pisat. It's about the trip to the zoo. You're going, aren't you?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I may, but I may not. I can't decide.
Oh, please go. You'll love it. The school has hired a bus, and there's lots of free food and drink.
Okay, I'll go.
Good. What are you going to take with you?
Well, if the school is going to give us free food and drink, I'll just take my phone. Oh, I might take a bottle of water to drink on the bus.
Good idea. I can't decide what to wear.
Just jeans and a t-shirt will be fine.
I suppose so. But I might wear my new black trousers. I'll think about it. Or I might wear my blue dress.
Okay, wear the black trousers.
I've had them a year now, so they may be too small.
Okay, wear the blue dress.
It's a bit too short to wear to the zoo. I might just wear jeans and a t-shirt.
What time does the bus leave?
It will leave at 6 a.m. So early. I might ask my dad to take me to the bus.
Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Bye.
Yeah, see you in the morning. Bye, Pisat.
End of tape script 1.2.1. Tape script 1.2.2.
Listen, check, and repeat. A. I may, but I may not. I can't decide. B. Oh, I might take a bottle of water to drink on the bus. C. But I may wear my new black trousers. D. I might just wear jeans and a t-shirt. E. I might ask my dad to take me to the bus.
End of tape script 1.2.2. Tape script 1.2.3.
Listen and repeat. A. Tiger. B. Crocodile. C. Leopard. D. Giraffe. E. Lion. F. Elephant.
End of tape script 1.2.3. Tape script 1.2.4.
What time will we get to the zoo?
The driver said we could get there at about 1 p.m. if the traffic isn't too bad.
We may get there early because the bus is going very fast.
I'm so excited. We might see lions and tigers.
We could see the bears if they aren't sleeping.
I really want to see the leopards.
Yeah, that would be great. It's very hot, so we may not get to see the crocodiles because they like to lie in the shade and sleep when it gets hot.
It's so good to hang out with friends at the weekend instead of working in the restaurant.
Yes, it's great to spend time with you and Pisat. Hey, there might be giraffes at the zoo. I love their long necks.
There could be giraffes there, but I'm not sure.
I wonder if we can buy souvenirs at the zoo.
I'm sure you can. You might even be able to buy pictures of the animals.
That would be great.
Hurry up, Buzz.
End of tape script 1.2.4. Tape script 1.2.5.
Wow, it's warm today.
It sure is.
I hope it feels cooler tomorrow.
Why?
Because I might have to help my father. He wants to build a new workshop behind the house. Hey, would you two like to help?
Sorry, Pisat. I might have to go into town with my mom because she wants to watch my sister play guitar in the school concert. Then, I may have to help in the restaurant. One of the waiters is sick. I wish I had more free time to help you and your dad, but I'm so busy.
What about you, Hyung? What are you doing tomorrow?
Oh, well, I may not have much time tomorrow. I might go shopping with some of the girls from school, or I may have to clean the house for my mom. I would love to help you and your dad. I really would, but I'm just so busy. I always have a busy schedule at the weekend.
Sounds like you two are making excuses.
No!
I could have some free time on Sunday, but I can't promise.
Me too. I might have some free time in the afternoon, but I do have a busy schedule too. But I will try.
Thanks, guys. It'll make things a lot easier if you two can help.
End of tape script 1.2.5. Tape script 1.2.6.
Listen and repeat. A. Because I might have to help my father. B. I might have to go into town with my mom. C. Then I may have to help in the restaurant. D. I may not have much time tomorrow. E. I could have some free time on Sunday.
End of tape script 1.2.6. Tape script 1.3.1.
Last weekend was great. I woke up early and met my friends outside the cafe close to the school. We had a volleyball match against another school in the province. We played them 2 weeks ago. But the last time we played against this school, we lost. We didn't want to lose again. So, we practiced every day. We played brilliantly and we won easily. After the match, we stopped at a restaurant in the town to celebrate. My friends ate lots of food, but I didn't eat anything because I was so excited. It was so good.
Last weekend, I studied for my chemistry test. I was so unhappy. I'm not very good at chemistry, so I have to study very hard. I studied upstairs most of the day. My mom cooked lunch for me, so I did have a short break at around noon. But then it was back to work. I didn't stop all day. Some of my friends went to the cinema, but I didn't go because I was too busy. And I had to do the same thing again on Sunday. It was terrible.
I went fishing last weekend and it was great. I went with my dad and my sister. We drove for about 1 hour to get to the river. We were all very excited. My little sister sat and watched my dad for an hour so she could learn how to fish. I caught lots of fish, but my sister didn't catch any. We didn't eat any of the small fish. My dad decided to put them back into the river because they were too small to eat. My dad caught the most fish. But guess who caught the biggest? Yes, it was me. I had a fantastic time. I really liked fishing, but my sister didn't like it at all.
End of tape script 1.3.1. Tape script 1.3.2.
Listen, check, and repeat. A. We played them 2 weeks ago. B. All of my team really wanted to win. C. I studied upstairs most of the day. D. My mom cooked lunch for me. E. We stopped at a restaurant. F. We arrived at the river.
End of tape script 1.3.2.